So this is just a quick video lesson on chemistry titration calculation, so calculating the concentration. So in this question we have 25 centimetres cubed of sodium hydroxide neutralised with 22.7 centimetres cubed of a dilute solution of hydrochloric acid. You've been given the equation here, and you've been asked to calculate the concentration of the hydrochloric acid. So from this, we need to look at what I would call concentration 1, volume 1, concentration 2, volume 2. So in this case, I've just assigned concentration in volume 1 to sodium hydroxide and concentration in volume 2 to the hydrochloric acid. So all of these values are in the question. So concentration of the sodium hydroxide is 0.2 molar per decimeter cubed, and the volume, I've just put it in decimeter cubed. We need to remember to be careful of our units. It's 25 over 1,000 as we've been given centimeters cubed. And again, this should be written as, it could be written as 22.7 over 1,000 to make it into decimeters cubed as well. And obviously we don't have the concentration because that's what we're trying to work out. So this triangle here is going to be important in helping us calculate. So the concentration is equal to the number of moles divided by the volume. And obviously whatever the volume units are, that's what your concentration units will be made of. So let's start by calculating the number of moles that we have of the sodium hydroxide. So the number of moles using this equation is going to be the concentration multiplied by the volume. So we've got the concentration of 0.2 multiplied by the volume, 25 over 1,000. Remember, we need to make sure that we have it so that we have the same units. So 25 over 1,000 multiplied by 0.2 gives us 0.005 moles. That's how many moles of sodium hydroxide we have. If we then look at the equation that we've been given, this one up here, we can use the mole ratio to work out how many moles of hydrochloric acid we have. So if we look at this one here, we have a 1-to-1 mole ratio, which means that this is multiplied by 1. So we also have 0.05 moles of hydrochloric acid. So using this, we can then calculate the concentration of our hydrochloric acid. So the concentration is equal to the number of moles divided by the volume. So the concentration was 0.005, and the volume, again, making sure it's in decimeters cubed, is 22.70 over 1,000. And if we work that out, we get 0.220 moles per decimeter cubed, and that's the final answer.